What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. We have another doubleheader going on today. We have an inner of second half of SPA, break reference numbers 339, player style break, and then the second half will consist of 340 ice inner player style break, and we'll have a choice of the two other cases. Yeah, kind of a strange 3 inner case master case for ice. All right, well, here's the second half of SPA. We'll get going. Sure, as we go along here, people will start to trickle in. Spencer, yeah, it's we pulled a nice Hasek, I believe the last case. But hopefully we'll get some more Hasek love here. All right. Yeah, you never know with these the collation with Upper Deck too. It's just you've seen some strange things happen. So good luck to all. 339. Make sure the record button's going. All right, pack number 1. Oh, right off the bat, we have a Future Watch Rookie Retro Autograph. Filip Zadina. Filip Zadina to 399 to start us off. That's not a bad way to go. Give me a sec here. All right, pack number 2. And we got a Future Watch autograph to 999 of Nico Sturm. Wow, 2 autos, 2 packs. Maybe we got a hot box, who knows? Wow, Zadina and Sturm to start us off. At this rate, we'll see what happens to this. Authentic moments of Crosby. We got a red Mark Stone. We got an FX of Ryan O'Reilly. Future Watch Level 1 FX John Marino. I actually contacted the winner of the Hasek, and it sounds like he's a Hasek collector, so I don't believe it's going to be for sale. Jason Zucker update. Hey, Sylvain. Nice card, though, for sure. Moments of Kucherov. Yakov Trenin, Young Guns. And again, we'll do a master recap at the end of this break if you guys are just tuning in or haven't seen our, maybe your first timer. If you're watching this on the I guess the recorded version, SP Essentials Austin Matthews. If you wanted to skip right to the very end, we'll be doing like a master recap of at least SPA. Ice is pretty short, so I don't think we'll need to do that. Carey Price Essentials. And we will be skipping the Essentials, the Reds, the update cards. Those will usually skip on the update or the recap. Litchfield Young Guns. Matthew Barzal. Essentials DeBrincat. Hey Yves. Good evening to you. Oops. Chris Letang update. Sebastian Aho red. Red of Torrey Krug. And Moments of Pietrangelo. Anya, we actually pulled a Larkin Retro, sorry, Larkin, a Zadina. So 2 autographs so far. I forget, I know you had some pretty big names in your order. I don't know if Zadina is one of them. But Zadina and Nico Sturm so far. All right, box number 2. Oh, great. Okay, Rasmus Sandy. Yeah, nice. Yves, who's your friend? I talked to someone recently. Oh, nice. Okay. Congrats, Anya. I know you had a big rookie list. There you go. First auto, first pack was the Zadina. Yves, who was your friend that had... I was talking to someone about Sandine. I don't know if that's your friend or not. If they also buy in on our breaks or not. But, okay, well, this is not bad. We have a Future Watch Spectrum Level 3. Caco. And this is a case hit. Caco Spectrum Level 3. Nice. I don't know if anyone's doing the actual FX set, the gold set. Those level 3s go for pretty good coin for that reason. And we got our first sign of the times. Dylan Strome. Autos are just flying out of the gate here. Dylan Strome, sign of the times. And we got a Future Watch, number to 999 of Matt Roy. Again, autos are coming early. no anticipation when all the autos are coming in the first few packs. All right, Matt Roy. Oops. Just got to sort properly here. All right. And we got a Moments of Ryan Poehling. Ooh, this is kind of... Oh, we got 2 hits here. We got Eric Stahl, red. And we have a Future Watch non-autograph to $9.99 of Kevin Stenlund. Oh, great. Well, thanks for joining us. Well, if this is your first break, congratulations. I mean, this is what group breaking is all about. Spectrum FX of Marchand. So who do you have as your first order with us? Roman Josi update. Moments of Ovechkin. No kidding, yeah, it is addictive, no joke. Jake Wallman, Young Guns. Connor McDavid, SP Essentials. All it takes is one big hit, right? And then it's like, you got that bug again. Chandler Stevenson update. Leon Draisaitl Essentials. Alexander Georgiev update card. Blake Coleman update. Marc-Andre Fleury SP. Ah, okay. Well, we got a couple of inserts so far for you. Ryan O'Reilly, red, limited. We pulled the Draisaitl Sign of the Times, I think, 2 breaks ago. Tyler Bertuzzi, red. And we have Cody Glass, Authentic Moments. All right. Box number 3. All right, we have a Future Watch autograph to $9.99 of Nathan Bastian. All right, and let's sleeve these bad boys up. All right, Nathan Bastian. Oops. All right, Essentials. Just want to make sure I don't have any fluff in. SB Essentials of Panarin. We got a red Jacob Trouba. And we have a Future Watch non-autograph of Joakim Nygard. Joakim Nygard. And we got a Spectrum FX for Urus. Is that yours? Is it Arctos? I probably butchered your name, sorry. Leon Draisaitl, there you go. I'm just going to say yours. And we got a Spectrum FX Level 1 Teddy Beluger. Yeah, there you go. Little Draisaitl. Okay. Ooh, okay. Well, this was unexpected. I guess this is an update. Yeah, it must be. We have a Sign of the Times inscription update card. I believe these are numbered to 10. I could be wrong. I mean, it's got a different number, but I'm pretty sure these are numbered to 10. Adrian Kempe. Adrian Kempe, first goal, was that goal and an assist, 2017. So nice hit for Adrian Kempe. I believe these are numbered to 10. Kind of an old school update hit. This is the first one I've seen of Kempe's. Well, maybe there's only 10 inserted in this. So Adrian Kempe. Kind of cool. I didn't even know he was in this product. Anthony Mantha. We get an update of Carl Soderberg. Alex Barkov. Taylor Hall update. Young Guns of Kale Clague. Wayne Gretzky Authentic Winners. Red Erik Karlsson. Update of Calle Jarnkrok. Moments of Steven Stamkos. Moments of Jack Hughes. Gabriel Landeskog. Unfortunately, this one is a little banged up for the Landeskog. And this is the third box. Okay, so just gotta keep tabs in case that person wants it. Barzal Red. And we will send the code if you choose. Alright. Make some room here. Alright, box number 4. No real monsters just yet. Oh, we got 5 boxes remaining. Hopefully it starts to heat up here. Ooh, okay, well we got some dark border on the very bottom. Yeah, usually Upper Deck's pretty good if it's as long as you provide the code. We have a Jonathan Marchessault Red. And ooh, I know this guy. We have a Sign of the Times from the 80s. We got any 80s babies in here? From the Toronto Maple Leafs, Wendell Clark. Wendell Clark, a nice 80s hit. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think it was a #1 pick overall, was he not? I believe he was. All right, Mr. Wendell. All right, Spectrum FX of Stamkos. If it's a numbered card, just to let you know, yours, it's pretty much impossible for them to replace. So I think they'll probably give you something of value, but yeah. All right, we got a Future Watch, non-autograph, Jack Studnicka. Alexander Georgiev. Matthew Tkachuk, Essentials. Patrick Kane, Update. #1, oh, okay, yeah, there we go. Miro Heiskanen, SP. It's weird, this one felt a little heavier. Jesperi Kotkaniemi. Linus Ullmark, Update. We got a red Rickard Rakell. Mikael Granlund, red. Okay. We have a SP Limited. No numbering on these ones. No surprise, actually. Alex DeBrincat. This guy's in quite a fair bit in this product. Alex DeBrincat. Moments of Ovechkin. Oh, we have an update. Number 2/999. Sam Steele. The Man of Steel. All right, Sam Steele. Update card. And we got a Moments of Ryan Poehling. Moments of Connor McDavid. Chandler Stevenson update. Make sure. And we have a Young Guns of Igor Shesterkin. I believe this is going out to Anya. There's a little bit of Igor Love. Sabres, nothing big, I don't think. Excuse me for a second while I move some of these base cards. Just starting to fill up here. All right. 4 boxes remain. Oh, I think I know who has this. We have a Future Watch Retro Autograph number to 399. Cale Makar. Ooh. Do. Cale Makar. Nice close up there. There you have it. That is a very nice hit, yeah. And we have a Future Watch, number 2/999, Max Jones. Anya is not, you don't got the Makar? I know you got some pretty big names, but. Oh man, it's too bad. I thought it might have been yours, actually, but it's too hard to remember everyone's orders. John Tavares. Really? 90% of the price? Sean Monahan, red. Ah, okay. Gotcha. Well, let's hope for 99 Makar in the next one for you, Anya. FX, Teuvo Teravainen. FX of Ferrero, level 1. All right, we have a David Aries, Young Guns. Nice hit. And let's just sleeve this bad boy up. This one actually seems to be in pretty good shape. The last two cases that we've opened was pretty banged up, the David Aries Young Guns. All right, Aries. We got a Moments of Carey Price. SP of Brock Besser. Connor Brown update. Sidney Crosby update. Sidney Crosby SP. It's a Sidney Crosby show all of a sudden. Nice. Justin Falk. Oh yeah, I think I know what you're talking about, James. Yeah, I did see that. Were they at a 25 or 50? Tristan Jarry. Red Clayton Keller. Jack Hughes. Moments of Lundqvist. And we got a red Alex Ovechkin. Let's do this one closest to me. Three boxes remain. Still nothing massive yet. I mean, outside of the car, but no patch, no. Oh, and speaking of which, there you have it, our patch. Okay, well, I should have just said that a long time ago. We'll save that right to the very end. You guys know how we do this. Future Watch, autograph number to 999, Connor Clifton. Get this saved up. Connor Clifton. Yes, lots of Ovi stuff. Inserts for sure. He's got an autograph, couple autograph stuff in here as well. Moments of Tuukka Rask. Red Brock Besser. FX of Brady Tkachuk. Ah. Anya, you want me to ask the winner of that if it's going to be available? German Rupstov. I could ask for you. David Pastrnak. Got a Moments of Binnington. Bobby Orr. Hey, no problem. Yeah, I mean that's one thing we kind of pride ourselves is getting the cards out as soon as possible. I know sometimes post office doesn't like to cooperate. Alec Martinez, but we literally, if you guys are joining us for the first time, like some are, we ship like anything you see here will probably be gone within like 2 or 3 days tops. So, you know, there's very minimal wait time. Henrik Lundqvist update. So, like, immediately after, I'll tell you how the operations work. So, immediately after we break, we upload the videos. We also sort the cards. And then we start to pack the process. And the packing takes, like, literally, like, hours because there's so many cards and you got to separate and you got to figure out whose orders who. Adam Johnson, young guy. And it's not as easy as just putting them in teams, right? Because some people might have the same player in 2 different breaks, and you know it's different cards, and yeah. So it's a pretty long process, but we do it pretty quick. John Carlson, SP. It's nothing worse than waiting at your door, wondering when your cards are coming. So we know, you know, when we try to get these things out as soon as possible. Johnny Gaudreau. That's what we aim for sure. But thank you so much for the feedback, Anya. John Gibson, SP. We got Marc-Andre Fleury, red. Quentin Hughes. Let's hope. McCarr's buddy, Quinton, makes an appearance. We got a red John Tavares. And we get a Moments of McDavid. Did we just get one auto in that one? I think we just got one autograph in that one. Boo. I'm trying to think here. Yeah, I guess so, because there's still the patch here. All right, so this will make number 2. All right. Oh, okay. We got 2. We have, it is really bizarre. I think this is our first retro. We have a Future Watch auto patch retro number 250, I believe. 49 or 50. Forget the numbering on these ones. Nevertheless, you guys will see. Ilya Mikheyev. Number to 50. 9 of 50. Ilya Mikheyev. There you go. It's bizarre. I think this is our 5th case or something like that. And this might be our first retro. There you go, Ilya Mikheyev. Yeah, I like the clean look. I mean, it is an update. Sorry, the retro. So I guess it's been used design, but it's nice clean, just like SPA typically is. All right, 2 boxes remain. Okay, we have a Sign of the Times of Shea Theodore. Oh, and there's also a red. Andrei Vasilevsky. Almost left you out there. And do you have any play? Oh, yes, you do. Sorry, never mind. You do also have some nice players you mentioned already. Matthew Barzal, FX. I believe those last 2 hits belong to Shauna. And we got a Future Watch. No autograph. Kaapo Kakko. Kaapo Kakko, nice, nice. Actually, that's 2 pretty decent hits for Kakko in this break. Got the FX as well as the $9.99 True Rookie. Cam Atkinson, update. Connor McDavid, updates. Or sorry, authentic winners, not update. Joel Edmondson, updates. Nick Camano, Young Guns. Tyler Toffoli update. Zdeno Chara, Authentic Moments. Steven Stamkos, update. Cody Glass. Moments of Columbus. Cam Atkinson. Future Watch, number to 999. This guy's pretty good. Adam Fox. Hey, no problem, Yato. Yeah, like I was mentioning, sometimes, you know, no matter how fast you ship, sometimes the post office tends to kind of delay the parcels from getting to you guys. But I'm glad when they show up fast, it's good for everybody. Like, very likely these cards that that we're opening right now will probably go out Monday. Ben Bishop, red. That's just because the weekend they don't ship. So. Oh, okay. We have a update. Future Watch autograph of Mackenzie Blackwood. Couple of update cards in this. Mackenzie Blackwood. 4 base. David Pastrnak. You see the template?
Yeah,
No, what you're looking at?
the damage cards.
Oh yeah. Matt Murray. Essentials.
Price was pretty bad.
Yeah. All right, last box. Good luck. Hopefully we go out with maybe an acetate or something. Oh, those Mackenzie Blackwoods? Yeah. There's a lot of Sam Steele in this. There's, yeah, a couple updates for sure. All right, we got a rookie to 999. CJ Seuss.
Adrian Tempe, a pretty huge hit with Tempe.
Yeah.
Is Grundy around?
No, I don't think so. Shabbat. That would have been his guy. Huge Kings fan. And we got J.C. Bowden. Young Guns. Hopefully we get an acetate out of this other half. Sidney Crosby. Update. FX of Bo Horvat. And why not? Level 2, Ilya Mikheyev FX. To go with his patch. Mitch Marner, Authentic Winners. Got a red Taylor Hall. Yeah, I think he hit the 2 RPAs out of 25, and then the one auto out of 9.99 as well. Yeah, I saw the update on that. Adam Brooks, Young Guns. Just checking the corners of this. That looks pretty good. SB Essentials of McDavid. Get a red Claude Giroux. Ooh, okay, we have a Sign of the Times. Going a little old school. Ron Hextall. Fun to do that. Yeah, Anya, we've done a lot of team breaks in the past. We used to do both actually. We just find that there's so many team breakers out there already. Like it would be super easy for anyone to jump on the team break. Bennington. So we just kind of decided to just give that up because it was just it was kind of hard because you had to do team and then player. So we just now we're pretty much exclusively player now. Tuukka Rask. Not something that we would say we're closing the door on, but yeah, it just seems like there's just ample breakers out there anyways. Pasternak. And 3 more packs to go. Okay, we have a Future Watch rookie autograph to 9.99. Ryan Poehling. It's a little hard to see, but Ryan Poehling to 9.99. And Blake Coleman. And finish off with a Lundqvist Authentic Moments. Alright, there you have it, guys. That concludes break. Actually, sorry, break 339, and we're just going to get the update recap in just a moment here. Oh, let's have this as well. So, just some of these. I'm going to try to do this all in one swoop here, guys, so we don't have to upload multiple videos.
More than.
Yeah.
There's so little hits.
Yeah, I forgot I put that there actually. Even these two.
No, not the base players, just the future.
Just a future watch. Yeah.
All right.
Here are just more.
Oh, those are just hits, but then they
SPs.
All right, here's the recap.
1 sec here.
All right, recap for 339. We have Trenin, Litchfield, Wallman, Clegg, Bowden, Brooks, Aries, Johnson, Shesterkin, Mikheyev, Level 3 Capo Caco, Mario Ferrero, German Rupstad, John Marino, Teddy Beluger, Alex DeBrincat, Adrian Kempe, Inscription, Shea Theodore, Dylan Strome, Ron Hextall, Wendell Clark, Sam Steele, Kevin Stenland, Joachim Nygaard, Jack Studnicka, Capo Caco, CJ Seuss, Adam Fox, Ryan Paling, Max Jones, Philip Zadina, Cale Makar, Nico Sturm, Matt Roy, Nathan Bastian, Connor Clifton, Mackenzie Blackwood, and Ilya Mikheyev. Thank you very much, yours. Thanks for joining us, too. That's it for 339. 340 ice is coming right up.